The mail merge feature of LibreOffice is an easy way to create letters and envelopes to be mailed out to people that are on a Calc spreadsheet database list. There are three things we need to do a mail merge. They are: 1. The database. In our case, will be a list of names and addresses of people on a LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. Number 2, the writer document we're going to send out. That would be a letter or envelope in this case that we'll create with LibreOffice Writer. And number 3, the data source, which is just a way of connecting our Calc spreadsheet information to the writer document. To show how this works, we're going to pretend we are a charitable organization with a list of donors, and we want to create a form letter asking each donor for money. The first thing we need to do is to create our database spreadsheet list of names. I'm going to start with a list of names I created for the Calc series. Just a reminder, these are all just made up names. Any similarities between them and real people is totally coincidental. This list of names won't work as our data source as it is. We need to edit it a little bit. We need to take out these top 3 lines, and we need to remove this blank line to the left. Now we have our headers in our top row and our first line of data in column A. One more thing I want to do, I don't have to for the database, but just for my own preference, I'm going to sort this by last name. Now I'm going to save this with a new name. I'll call this Mail Merge Database Donor List. We've completed step 1, created our database list of names. Now I'm going to jump to the third thing I said we needed. That is the data source. You'll see why I'm calling this a data source when we get to our LibreOffice Writer Documents step. In this step, we're going to make our Calc spreadsheet a registered database in LibreOffice, meaning this will then allow the information on the database to be read into the LibreOffice Writer document. To do this, we're going to use LibreOffice Database. Opening up the database by clicking on the icon brings us to this welcome screen. Select Database is highlighted. That's what we want to do. We want to connect to an existing database. Clicking that, we see Spreadsheet. We have a spreadsheet. Next thing we want to do is set up the spreadsheet connection. We'll find the spreadsheet we want to connect to. And there's our Mail Merge Database Donor List. I don't have a password. I'll click Next. Yes, we want to register this database because that is what will allow us to connect that data in our spreadsheet to our LibreOffice Writer document. And open the database for editing. No, we do not want that. We don't need to. If you forget and leave that checked, just close it. Clicking Finish. We want to change this name from New Database to Mail Merge Data Connection Donor List. And we finished step 3, create our data source.